Hi everybody, Mimi from Stampin' with the Grandma Giggles. Alright, so we've got a Dollar Tree haul here. Excuse me, I've like I said in the last two videos, I'm still a bit sick, but I want to get these videos out because I've been dying to get them out to you. I've had this Dollar Tree stuff since the day, let's see, I think the day before, the day after Thanksgiving, so I've just like been dying to get it out to you, but I didn't want to do it until after I felt better. I had actually had a little bit of a voice, so I do have a little bit of a voice now, so let's get to it. You guys, remember the last video I was telling you I found these? I actually had found the one in this color, but they actually have 3 different colors. Oh, this one doesn't want to cooperate. But I got the last 3 at my store. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm going to have to order them online. But I'm going to use these for my classes for my ladies, and I'm going to put like a little Tombow glue in here and some little snackies and, you know, just some stuff that they can dump out when, when they're ready, and then they can use this for trash and stuff. So anyway, those I thought were just so stinking cute. I'm trying not to make a whole big loud mess of the bags because someone had told me that it was hard to hear with all the bags, and it didn't even occur to me. So I'm trying to not have too much bag sound in here. Okay, you guys, I love these. I love, love, love them. These are like the perfect size. And there's 2 of them for $1. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I make fudge. I make a Rocky Road fudge, homemade Rocky Road fudge every year. And my kids, like, they would take like 8, 10 batches each if I'd let them. But anyway, so I do this, and then I send them in these little plastic things, and then they have containers that they can reuse for whatever. But I love the snowflakes. That's probably one of my favorite things is snowflakes. But they had, I think there was Santa Claus and penguins. They had a bunch of really cute ones, so you guys should go check them out. These are super, super cute. Okay. I seen these, and I just, oh my gosh, you guys, I totally fell in love. Look how cute this is. It's a little mailbox, and this little thing goes up and down. Isn't that just the cutest? And then, when I was looking through, trying to find a good one, I found this one, and I was like, whoa, that one's bigger. But look at this little snowman, and then this little thing goes up. So I thought, this is going to be so cute. I'm going to have my granddaughter put her letter to Santa in here. And I'm probably going to put this up on like a couple of candlesticks and decorate it with some greenery and such. And then, I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. It's probably going to go up on a candlestick too, but for now, it's going to go right back in there. And you guys really should go check these. They have a bunch of different designs. They're super cute. And again, not sure what I'm going to pick as my favorite thing this time around. But and then I found this. Okay, so I love this guy. My mom collects Santas. And she collects she's got so many, you guys. She has been on TV, on the news. They've come to tour her house because she has a little over 10,000 Santas. Yes, you heard that right. So every time we talk, she says, now you know you're getting those when I die. Mom, I don't want to hear that. But anyway, so every time I see a Santa, I think of my mama. She's awesome. But anyway, so they have different color hats, and the one that I really like, it was a plaid hat, but it didn't really match with his coloring, and they were all the same. So I got the next one I like. This one's a maroon one, and they had a red, and I don't know, they had a couple different ones. So for $1, I thought these were super cute, and I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to use him yet, but I know I'm going to do a DIY with it, so we'll keep that in the future. And I know I'm probably going to take this off, this little holly and berry, and put something that looks a little more real on it. But anyway, super cute. And there's one of my kitties. He thinks he deserves to be on all over me. I thought this was really cute, this little stocking here. I had to kind of, be honest, I had to search for one that wasn't totally trashed. I'm going to have to stabilize this with some more glue or something, but, you know, for $1, you guys, this is super cute. I mean, you know, some of these were popped off and, you know, they weren't on there and stuff, so of course there's going to be that, but, you know, this is just super cute for a sparkly thing. And you know, I love sparkly, shiny, glittery things, so there you go. Okay, the kitty is wanting to play. So if you see a Siamese, you know that's Peppa. He's our big boy. Okay, these things are so cute. First time I seen these, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. I could totally take it off and put candy in here for the grandbabies, right? So give each grandbaby some candy. Well, then I realized it says solar. So I look in here and look at this, you guys. There's a little solar light. Isn't that cute? So I'm still gonna fill it up with candy. I'll have it off, and then I'll tell their parents, look, you can put these in their bedrooms at Christmas, you know, whatever. And they can pop these out. These are really easy to pop out. And then they can just set them, or actually you don't even have to pop them out because you set them like that. You know, wouldn't that be a fun stocking stuffer? Just fill this with candy and just really be like all about Christmas and stuff. Okay, these I got some more of because we do this Wednesday, I forgot what it's called, but anyway, Wednesday wishes, that's what it's called. And you request certain things, and one lady requested pom-poms, so I got this for her. So she'll be getting those. I'll be sending those out tomorrow. I found this. Now this one I realized after I got it home, it is actually a little bit bent, but that's okay. But what it is, it's a magnetic tin. I don't have any magnetic, oh, no, that's not magnetic. I didn't think so. I don't really have any magnetic stuff here to show you, but wouldn't this be cute to decorate and just, well, there's Kitty. Peppa, move, baby. Anyway, just put fun stuff in here, and I'm actually going to be using it for some of my crafting things, you know, to put it in here. Help keep kitties out. So that's that. I thought this was so stinking cute. Look at this, you guys. It's a little mini clipboard. And they only had a couple of these left. So I grabbed this one. I didn't really care for the other one, but I thought this was just too cute to pass up. So I'm going to use this in something for my family. I'm going to make a design on something, and we'll do that together. We'll do some sort of a DIY with it, you know, some sort of Christmas DIY craft or whatever. But yeah, I think it's definitely going to be a Christmas DIY. Okay, the other thing I found, I really kind of hem and hawed on this, but it's this frame, but it's got the string across it with these two little clothespins, mini clothespins, and I thought, you know, for the price, I could totally stick Christmas paper here in the back as a background, and then put some cute, you know, photos up here of some Christmas photos that I take with my granddaughter and myself, or, you know, my husband and I, or, you know, our other kids, if we see other kids or whatever, but, you know, maybe some of the animals or whatever, and maybe paint this outside kind of a Christmassy color, or leave it black, so that way you can switch out the papers in the back, you know, and then it's just like multi-use. But I thought a cute plaid, I thought plaid would look really cute back there, and maybe put like a white background, you know, on the pictures, so they kind of make them stand out against the plaid. But I just really thought this was cute, and I may go back and get another couple of these, because I actually thought it'd be a really cute shadow box too. You know, because you can move these around, and, you know, so you have 4 layers of this, and you can have one here and one here and one here, and, you know, so I thought that'd be a really kind of a cute shadow box to hang, you know, different little things down, you know. So that is the end of my haul. I did get some licorice. I purchased licorice, but it didn't come home with me, and I'm not sure where it went. But I don't like the Twizzlers. I do love the red vines though, and I got to tell you, I was so bummed when I got home without it. I was like, dang it. So anyway, you guys, I hope that you have a fabulous, fabulous rest of your week going into the weekend here. And I will be back with another Dollar Tree haul probably in a few days, because I've kind of been hanging on to this one. And I would like to try to do like one a week, but I don't want to spend, my goal is not to spend more than $10 each time, because, you know, there's always new stuff coming in. So we're going to try and keep that as a goal of just doing 10 things each week. And, you know, if I go over or under one or two, I don't think it'll matter too much, but it'll give you guys something to go check out. And I heard that Dollar Tree's big stores, they're doing like this new thing where they're going to do like a craft alley or whatever. It's a new thing they're trying to roll out. And so that will be really fun to see how that goes. I don't know if the stores where I live are big enough, but I'm definitely going to check, because we only have, we're about 45 minutes to an hour away from the nearest big town. The little town where we actually live, we don't even have a stoplight, y'all. It's crazy. It is so small. But it's fun, you know. Everybody knows everybody, you know, and of course everybody knows what everybody's doing, which isn't always fun. But you know, if you're being a good girl or a good boy, all's good. But anyway, so we've got to go into town. When we say into town, we mean into Springfield. And like I said, they only have a couple of stores. We did hear they were going to put up a third one, so I'm hoping that happens. And I would really hope that it would be a bigger store. But in the meantime, I'll keep bringing you what we have. And until next week, or well, I'll probably do another video tonight. I'm not sure, but I probably won't load it for another day or two, because I'm going to try and get everything together to make a card with you guys tonight. And we'll see how it goes. All right? Hugs and love, everybody. Bye-bye.